Miss Universe, Miss Pia Wurtzbach, nagbigay ng kanyang saloobin patungkol sa anomalya di umano sa fan vote contest ngayong Miss Universe 2023. So, para po mapanood natin ang buong detalye na yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. And for today's video, pag-usapan natin itong Miss Universe 2023 na talaga namang very hot at talagang talk of the town ngayon, no? Dahil sa katatapos lang na isang prestiyosong pa-contest na ito or prestigious na pageant dito sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Kung saan si Miss Pia Wurtzbach nga ay nagbigay ng ilang sa mga saloobin patungkol dito sa bagay na ito. At hindi rin po napigilan na ibigay ni Miss Pia ang kanyang buong saloobin yung mga anomalya na nangyari ngayong Miss Universe 2023. Pero syempre bago yan, panoorin po muna natin ang initial interview, no, pagkatapos ng Miss Universe 2023. Narito naman ang ilan sa mga statement ni Miss Michelle Marquez D. Panoorin natin ito. Alang napakalaki naman ang panghihinayang ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Miss Michelle D na hindi po siya umabot dun sa Q&A, no, sa question and answer, na kung saan ito po talaga yung pinaghandaan ng isang Miss Universe. Sabi nga po ni Miss Pia Wurtzbach, yung Miss Universe 2015, she said na isa si Miss Universe 2015 Miss Pia Wurtzbach sa mga nanghinayang na hindi umabot ang pambato ng Pilipinas na si Michelle D sa Miss Universe 2023 Top 5. Ang Top 5 finalist ng pageant ay nabigyan ng pagkakataong ipakita ang kanilang galing sa question and answer portion. Umabot si Michelle D hanggang top 10 ng pageant. Sa isang video ni Pia kagabi, November 19, 2023, naglabas siya ng saloobin tungkol sa resulta ng Miss Universe 2023 kung saan ang nagwagi ay si Miss Nicaragua Shanice Palacios. Ayon kay Miss Pia, kabilang si Shanice sa best bets niya sa pageant. I also was rooting for the winner actually, and I think that she's very deserving, pag-amin ni Pia. Pero diin niya, although I'm still wondering what could have been if Michelle had made it into the top 5 and had the chance to answer a few questions. Cause she really good at question and answer. You wonder, you think of what could have been. But yeah, I don't know. I'm still trying to absorb things. Kayo ba? Alam nyo po, sa akin pong sa akin POV, alam na nila yan ng mga nag-o-organize yan na talagang magwawagi itong babaeng ito, napakaganda at napakatalino. Ito yung isa sa mga saloobin naman ni Miss Pia Wurtzbach patungkol dun sa fan vote contest. Panoorin natin.
baka alam nyo. At hindi ko rin alam kung saan pumasok or kung may guaranteed entry ba yung nananalo sa Voice for Change or ano lang ba yun, parang special award. So anyway, I think those two things are the only parts that I find a bit confusing, but maybe also because I didn't really check if
According sa isang news online, Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle Marquez D finally claimed the top spot in the ongoing Miss Universe 2023 fan vote contest. The actress beauty queen landed on the top spot after a sea battle with Miss Universe Ukraine 2023 Angeline Yusanova, who climbed the leaderboard quite meteorically. Former first placer Shanice Palacio of Nicaragua went down to third place. There are still 13 days before the online poll closes, and it will be determined who will be announced as a silver finalist during the preliminaries. In a social media post, Miss Universe Philippines organization wrote, "Pilipinas, we need to keep voting." So it is also reminded Pinoy pageant supporters to vote on fan vote site to secure a spot in the semi-final round. So ibig sabihin meron talagang meron pong parang may contribution po talaga yung mga manonood. Furthermore, it also reminded voters to check their emails to validate their votes in the Voice for the Change online poll. Yan. While most from the leaderboard list had stayed in top 10, it is interesting to note that a lot of delegates have moved several places up from their former ranks but have yet to land in top 10. So, yesterday, a lot of arriving delegates, no? So, dito nagkaroon din po ng konting problema pagdating dito kasi parang nalaglag si Miss Michelle D pagdating sa fan votes. Kaya nagsalita po si Miss Universe Pia Wurtzbach patungkol sa issue na ito. So, sabi naman po ni Miss Pia, all out po yung kanilang support na ibinigay kay Miss Michelle D, no, sa kanyang broadcast channel. Ang lakas natin, nakakakilig, sabi niya. Can't wait to see the outfits, the photos next to candidate. Kaso nga lang, yun po yung nangyari. Hindi na po siya pumasok pa sa top 5. But anyways, congratulations Miss Michelle D dahil nakapasok naman siya sa top 10.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe, at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page, DarEdsTV, and please do follow me on my TikTok account, DarEdsTV. God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.